get a 30-minute rally, this is gonna be one of my favorites at the top of the hour. I really like NVDA at the top of the hour. Look at that setup. Hourly, PCL here and all this hour sitting right at the calculated level, right at the 60-minute 9. If we can get some kind of rally up in here, get a good short setup on that, which is an even better short. Coming up on the top of the hour here, God, right into that 60-minute 9, 283, 284. We're all right around 284. So if I could even get up here in the 283.50 area, come on up there. I'm going to take a half size position here on this thing. We've hit the 60-minute 9. I'm going to get some skin in the game here. And I'm watching this area to take some profits here.
Order filled.
Got paid. So I'm gonna let this 5-minute candle close. If I can get a pop into that 280, I'm gonna be really tight on this. But if I can get a 5-minute candle close here, and we keep setting up these lower highs on this 5-minute here, this next one, I'm gonna go ahead and take that open to that and take an add, and then I'm just gonna put my stop. It'll still be a profit stop even after my add. If this 5-minute candle closes over it, then like I said, I'm just gonna take it off, pay myself. Can always get back in.
Order filled.
I'll just take it off. Took it off in the money there, so that was still a nice paycheck there. I think I did good on the NVDA there. It looks like we're gonna come up close. That's what it looked like to me. We were gonna get a good close and then a run up. So I just want to take my profit, look for a reload. So I'm gonna be patient here. If we don't run up into 285 and we keep consolidating under this 280, maybe I'll take a setup here at the bottom of the hour. See how that price action was really looking like it was gonna rally for a minute. So I'm glad I took it off. Nice profit. Come on up here. Hold that 5-minute 9. Pop back up here into this PCL again. I'm just watching this NVIDIA here really close because if we break up through this 77 here, I'm just gonna sell instead of using a stop or activation order. I just got my finger on the trigger here. So
Order filled.
I'm just gonna pay myself there. Reversal time of day. Take those profits. Put them on the books.